Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and we have another unboxing here. It has my address on both sides, so I'm just going to slide it off the table and cut it open here. This watch lent in by Peter C. You can go check out his Instagram. If you can check it out, I'd appreciate it. It's watch again 9876, I think. I'll put it in the description. Peter C. He's loaned in quite a few watches. I greatly appreciate him sending these over for us to check out. Very kind of him to do so. So this is a watch from a company called Perpetual. Let's see, one more. So it's a watch from a brand called Perpetual. I've not heard of them before. I looked at their website briefly, I think, or maybe I just looked up this watch real quick. It's a regulator watch. So I don't want to mess up this packaging. Okay, it just slides out of the cardboard here. All right, there we go. Oh, looks like it's taped in there. I'm not sure what's going on with that. No idea what that pin or bar is in there. Looks like an extra bar for the strap, maybe. Oh, okay. Yep. So this has a unique retention system for that strap. That's pretty neat. Screw here and a screw there, and that attaches to that bar there. So, all right, very cool. Let's have an automatic movement in here. Water resistant 30 meter, all stainless steel, and then Perpetual is the name of the watch brand again. It's a Perpetual Regulator. Kind of reminds me of the regulator that Bobby Lake sent over a long time ago. The Steinhardt, he had a Steinhardt regulator. Kind of reminded me of my Stova Marine Original. Here, let's get this wound up. Oh yeah, I actually have a Perpetual watch somewhere. I'm sorry, a regulator somewhere too, but it works a little bit different than this. So maybe it's not really a regulator, the other watch that I have. All right, so we got the second hand down here, second sub dial. This one here will be the minute hand, and then that up there is the hour hand. Very neat. So I'll do a little bit of research and give you all the specs on this. If I remember correctly, I think the price is somewhere around $200, $250 for this watch. Very shiny though. There's polishing all over this. Oh, so that's just it's a sign crown. It's the same logo as what's on the dial here. Looks kind of like a gouache. How you pronounce that? Guilloche. With the pattern on the dial here, machined into it. Yeah, very neat looking watch. I don't know if this is a Japanese or Chinese movement. I'm assuming it's probably a Chinese movement. So anyway, oh, you know what? Let me get this on wrist. I almost forgot. We'll put this on wrist. Then we'll close out the video. I figured this might have been signed, but yeah, I guess not. Butterfly clasp. It's kind of a neat looking watch. You don't see these types of watches very often, especially with this. It's not really a spring bar, but the lug bar here. So let me know what you think of this watch in the comments section. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's definitely easier to tell what minute you're on here. All right, if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Like the video if you've liked it, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you've heard of this brand before. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.